How to change phone number on Grab application. Are you guys facing issues to change phone number on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile, tap on it. Now again click on your profile. You can see the option for your phone number. Just tap on it and delete all these numbers. Now write down your number according to your preference. After you write it down, tap on save. Now click on continue. After you click on continue, they will send you a code on your phone number. Now just write down your code. After you write down your code, your phone number will be changed on Grab application. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change our phone number on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.